Hey, concrete fans, welcome back to the Joy of Concrete. This is Leftovers, something very quick, something very fun. If this is your, hold on, if this is your first time to the channel, don't tune in to Leftovers. Go check out one of the full-length videos. You can get a feel for what we do, but we goof off with concrete. That's what we do. We're goofs, just kidders. I've got leftover concrete, and I've got this new tiny mold that I've been working on for you. Not just me. Me means a bunch of people. I say me, but what I mean is everyone. We've been working on something beautiful for you, for concrete, to deal with your leftovers, and maybe just as a little experiment. Maybe you've never touched concrete before and you're like, I want to touch it, but even something really big seems daunting. This isn't daunting. Look how little this is. This isn't even going to come close to covering how much leftovers I've got. But I take my leftovers. This is literally like, this mold is like a couple tablespoons of concrete, but very well designed to make a very effective use of the amount of concrete that we're putting in here. And because gray matter is so strong, we can make a tiny little object like this, and it's gonna be amazing. Okay. So I'm just tapping out our air, giving this a little tap to tap. That one's done. That's one leftover. Let's do another. I've got this leftover. This is one of my favorites. This mold is great. This mold is amazing. It is this mold is one designed by Concrete Cat. We love them. We love the Concrete Cats dearly, dearly. And this is one of their most iconic designs, the Vesta vase. And guess what? It makes a little tiny Vesta vase as well. That is utterly amazing. Okay, again like that. I think that is good for me. That's one more leftover. We still got some. Let's go, another Concrete Cat mold here. This is the little Darumacon. Fun little wishful thinker Darumacon. I love this one too. These things are cute. Put them in a flower pot, sit them on your desk, give them as a gift. These are amazing, amazing, tiny little gifts that you can make yourself. And you know what? You don't need to give people big gifts, but a tiny handmade gift, even something this small, but that you made, that you said, wow, I actually just made that for you. Amazing the impact it'll have. Something I learned. One more leftovers. This is the biggest leftovers ever. The hex mold. The hex mold's great. I don't think I've got enough for it, but I got enough to make a skinny. If I really scrounge these scraps, I think I can put something together here. A skinny. I got enough for a skinny. Okay. So maybe I didn't calculate that last batch very well. That was a decent amount of leftovers. But at least we're gonna have fun. I'm gonna have a bunch of little presents. Okay. Is there a way that we could do a contest and I could give these things to you, viewer out there in the YouTube universe? That's a pun. Is that a pun? Universe, meaning people in the YouTube sphere. I don't know if that's a pun either. If I say it weird, it can be. But is there a contest? What would that contest look like? So that I could send you some concrete loot, some of this stuff. Tell me in the comments below. I want to know. I want to make a contest, but I stink at that kind of stuff. So explain to me what a contest would look like so that you could win a thing and send it to you. Goodbye. Talk to you later. We'll have to come back to this in the cured side. 4 hours. That's really quick. 4 hours. See you then. Concrete friends, we're back on the cured side. It has been 4 hours, and these are our leftovers. We had leftovers. I made too much concrete. I have leftovers. What do you do with leftovers? You put leftover beautiful concrete into tiny, tiny molds. And these are some amazing molds designed by Concrete Cat for us, for you. And let's see what we got. So first things first, I've got the Vesta mold. So I'm going to just push this from the bottom, pull on the side here a little bit. Just say, pop out of here. Pop out of here, you. There it comes. Oh, sticky one. There we go. It's actually one of the harder ones to get out, but we got it. Ah, oh, big void. Ooh, big void. Pretty though. I have a feeling our big one, our non-leftovers is going to be great. That's not bad. Leftover 1, vase. Leftover 2, this is our mini Darumicon. Oh, and it's beautiful. Wow, look at that pattern. Although patterning these guys, you actually can't see any of the fun detail on here, but it's there, trust me. Leftovers number 3, little thin hex tile. That's nice. That's really pretty. And cured. 4 hours. That's crazy. And this is the one I'm the most excited about. Leftovers number 4. This is a new mold we've been working with. Making something special for you, viewers at home. Okay, come on out. Come on out of here. And, ooh, yes. Oh, yeah. Amazing. Oh, yeah. This is great. This is a great little pot. Little cactus, little succulents in here. It's a decent size. You can fit some little foliage or whatever you want, just a little container, but it's great. With the Darumicon lid. Wah, wah, wah. Stacked it. Fun. So that's what you do with leftovers. That's what you do with leftovers. You get little molds and you make little bits. How easy. Thanks, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to Leftovers. It's easy stuff. Not that tricky. Catch you next time.